I'm about to lose my mind. You've been gone for so long. I'm running out of time. I need a doctor. Call me a doctor. I need a doctor to bring me back to life.
I told the world one day I would pay it back. Say it on tape and let it record it so that one day I could play it back. But I don't even know if I believe it when I'm saying that. Y'all starting to creep and every day it's just so gray and black. Hope I just need a ray of that, cause no one sees my vision when I play it for them. They just say it's whack, but they don't know what dope is. And I don't know if I was awake or asleep when I wrote this. All I know is you came to me when I was at my lowest. You picked me up, breathed new life in me. I owe my life to you. Before the life of me, I don't see why you don't see like I do. But it just dawned on me, you lost the sun. Demons fighting you, it's dark. Let me turn on the lights and brighten it and enlighten you. I don't think you realize what you mean to me, not the slightest clue. Cause me and you were like a crew. I was like your sidekick, you gon' either wanna fight when I get off this fucking mic, or you gon' hug me. But I'm out of options, there's nothing else I can do. Cause
I'm about to lose my mind. You've been gone for so long. I'm running out of time. I need a doctor. Call me a doctor. I need a doctor to bring me back to life.
it hurts when I see you struggle. You come to me with ideas, you say they're just pieces, so I'm puzzled. Cause the shit I hear is crazy, but you're either getting lazy or you don't believe in you no more. Seems like your own opinion's not one you conform. Can't make a decision, you keep questioning yourself, second guessing, and it's almost like you're begging for my help. Like I'm your leader, you're supposed to fucking be my mentor. I can endure no more demand you remember who you are. It was you who believed in me when everyone was telling you don't sign me. Everyone at the fucking label, let's tell the truth. You risked your career for me, I know it as well as you. Nobody wanted to fuck with a white boy tramp crying in this booth. You saved my life, now maybe it's my turn to save yours. But I could never repay you, what you did for me is way more. But I ain't giving up faith, and you ain't giving up on me. Get up, Drake, I'm dying, I need you, come back for fuck's sake.
I'm about to lose my mind. You've been gone for so long. I'm running out of time. I need a doctor. Call me a doctor. I need a doctor to bring me back to life. Bring me back to life. Bring me back to life. I need a doctor.
It literally feels like a lifetime ago, but I still remember the shit like it was just yesterday though. You walked in, yellow jumpsuit, whole room, crack jokes. Once you got inside the booth, told you Mike Smoke with the friends. Some of them I put on, but they just left. They said they was riding to the death, but where the fuck are they now? Now that I need them, I don't see none of them, all I see is Slim. Fuck all you fair weather friends, all I need is him. Fucking backstabbers, when the chips were down, you just laughed at us. Now you about to feel the fucking wrath of aftermath, faggots. You gon' see us in our lab jackets and ask where the fuck we been. You can kiss my indecisive ass, crack maggots and the cracker's ass. Lil Cracker Jack beat, making whack ass backwards producers. I'm back, bastards. One more CD and then I'm packing up my bags. And as I'm leaving, I guarantee they'll scream, Dre, don't leave us like that, man. Cause
I'm about to lose my mind.
thoughts about religion? Are you close to your mother? Tell me about your dream vacation and all of your ex-lovers. Tell me now, what's that look on your face? She puts her hand on my lips, begging please end this conversation. Baby said when you're talking I go dead. Shut your mouth, give me your head. Do you really want to? Baby said let me taste your silhouette. You can talk between my legs. Do you really want to? Tell me what's your favorite color and all of your ambitions. I'm not afraid of you being bolder, but why are you so vicious? Tell me now, what's that look on your face? She puts her hand on my lips, begging please end this conversation. Baby said when you're talking I go dead. Shut your mouth, give me your head. Do you really want to? Baby said let me taste your silhouette. You can talk between my legs. Do you really want to? I was running and running and running and running and running after you. I was running and running and running and running and running after you. I was crying and loving while you were just coming and howling after me. Yeah, you were running and running and running away from this conversation. Baby said when you're talking I go dead. Shut your mouth, give me your head. Do you really want to? Baby said let me taste your silhouette. You can talk between my legs. Do you really want to? I wish you didn't, but my baby said. I wish you didn't, but my baby said. I wish you didn't, but my baby said. I wish you didn't, but my baby said.
Eyes up, you've been gone for a fortnight. My love, are you stuck in a fake life? Can't win if the prize is to waste your time. Now it's wasting mine. And I know that we're close, but I'm lonely. Make me your only, you won't win a trophy. But can I kiss you like this when you hold me? Missing it low key, I'll say it slowly. It's me or the PS5. Tell me how you wanna spend your night. Three's feeling way too tight. So if it's not me, then I'm probably gonna run it over me or the PS5. Tell me which of us is more your type. Seems like you can't decide. So if it's not me, then I'm probably gonna run it over.
My love, no, I'm in for the long ride. I'm not playing games of the wrong kind. Could be keeping secrets and telling lies, but I'm just alive. And I can promise you I'll never play you out. By the way, to show you I'm grateful. So I'm begging you, 2 minutes only, you'll get a trophy. I'm staying faithful. It's me and the PS5. Tell me why you making me decide. Please don't you see I'm blind? So if